Imagine finding an official-looking document taped to your door or in your mailbox. It mentions legal terms and suddenly your stomach drops. You might wonder what exactly this means for you and what steps you should take. If you have received a notice to cure or quit, it means your landlord believes you have violated your lease agreement. They are giving you a formal opportunity to either fix the problem, which is to cure it, or to move out, which is to quit the property. This notice is a very important legal communication. The reason this notice exists is to provide a structured and legal process before a landlord can proceed with an eviction. Landlords cannot just evict a tenant without cause and without proper notice. This notice serves as a formal declaration of a lease breach and outlines the specific steps required to resolve it. The term cure refers to rectifying the violation, such as paying overdue rent, removing an unauthorized pet, or fixing damage you caused. If you successfully cure the violation within the specified timeframe, the lease typically remains in effect. If you choose to quit or cannot cure the violation, you are expected to vacate the property by the deadline. This period, often called the cure period, is mandated by local tenant-landlord laws and varies depending on the nature of the violation and your jurisdiction. So what should you do when you receive one? First, read the notice thoroughly and carefully. Understand the specific violation listed and the deadline given to either cure the issue or move out. This notice is not a final eviction order, but it is a prerequisite for one in many areas. Next, communicate promptly with your landlord. Open a dialogue to clarify the situation, discuss the possibility of curing the breach, and confirm the exact timeline. Make sure to keep meticulous records of all communications, payments, and actions you take. A key insider detail to remember is the importance of the cure period. This is not an arbitrary number but a legally defined window, often 3, 5, or 10 days, depending on your state and the violation. Understanding this specific time frame is crucial, as it dictates how much time you have to act before the landlord can take the next legal step towards eviction. This period is your legal opportunity to remedy the situation and prevent further action. By understanding the meaning of a notice to cure or quit, knowing your rights, and acting swiftly and strategically, you empower yourself to navigate this challenging situation effectively. You can proactively address the violation, communicate constructively with your landlord, and potentially avoid the stress and costs associated with a full eviction process, ultimately maintaining your tenancy and peace of mind.